Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Put the watch into pairing mindset by pressing and holding the lower left button for a few seconds until pairing indicator appears. Meanwhile, open G-Shock connected on your phone and choose Add Device. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location permission are granted. The app needs both to discover the watch. Keep the watch face visible and phone screen awake. If the app prompts for firmware update, allow it. That prevents connection errors later and ensures stable pairing. After selecting GWB5600 in the app list, match the pairing code shown on both devices. This confirms identity and prevents accidental links. You will be prompted to grant notification access and optionally calendar or contact syncing. Allow what you need, because these permissions let the watch mirror alerts and keep time accurate. Once you confirm, the app begins initial sync. Accept firmware or settings updates and wait. Sync takes a few minutes. Do not close the app or move out of Bluetooth range while transfers complete. Finish by checking watch functions. Confirm atomic time sync, alarms, and incoming notification previews. That verifies a full connection. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and repeat the exact pairing steps. Often a fresh restart clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, forget the GWB5600 device, clear the app cache or reinstall G-Shock connected, and try again. As a final
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.